Well, if you're following along, you know that lawmakers in the Texas House have proposed spending billions of dollars in new money for public schools. There's one group advocating for public schools, saying that a lot more money is needed, but they call what I just said a pretty good start. ION Politics reporter Jack Fink in the newsroom. So how much more is this group talking about when we talk about money, and why?
Well, Doug, public school funding, as you know, is one of the hottest topics this year at the Texas Capitol. And the group Raise Your Hand Texas says because of inflation, the state needs to at least double the amount of new funding proposed by the Texas House. Republicans in the Texas House have called their plan to inject $9 billion in new money into public schools historic.
House Bill 2, along with some other bills that we'll be hearing in our committee, will make the largest investment in our public schools in the history of the state of Texas, even when you adjust it for inflation.
House Public Education Committee Chairman Brad Buckley says that money includes nearly $2 billion for special education and for pay raises for teachers and support staff.
But it is a really good start.
Bob Popinski, Senior Director of Policy at the organization Raise Your Hand Texas, says while it's a promising first step, it's still far short.
Since 2019, we've seen a 22% increase in inflation. So what does that mean? We need about $9.8 billion per year just to have the same purchasing power school districts did back in 2019. So you put that over a 2-year budget, we need about $20 billion.
2 years ago, the legislature left billions of dollars on the table for school districts.
And they were expecting more money in the last session, and they didn't get it. $4.5 billion didn't make it to them. So is that to blame?
Where you're seeing lots of different reasons.
One key reason, inflation.
It just costs more to do everything. So our school districts...
So should the school districts should their budgets or what they receive from the state reflect that?
It reflects the largest investment in the history of Texas.
Some school districts are also seeing a drop in student enrollment.
But in order to kind of keep up with that inflation cost since 2019, you still have to take kids to school on the bus every day. You still have to offer them food service and hire the cafeteria workers to provide that. You have to have the assistant principals and the principals. You have to have the after-school programs and extracurricular programs. All of that costs money.
Buckley says the state is also helping school districts with declining enrollment.
House Bill 2 has a 95% funding floor. It basically protects districts where their funding based on enrollment decline cannot decrease by more than 5% per year.
And that provision of the House bill is capped at $50 million. Now, Raise Your Hand Texas says this is not a policy priority for them, but it is helpful for the school districts. The Texas Senate has proposed spending an additional $5.3 billion in public school funding. Jack Fink, CBS News, Texas.
Jack.